Hello, dear students. Let's learn today about angles in triangle. We have here two questions. We will try to solve both of them. The first question here we have, find all angles of a triangle ABC. Here we can see we have here angle A given x degree, angle B is given 2x degree, and angle C is given 3x degree. We need to find out all values. So let's start. As we know that all angles of a triangle add up 180 degree. As we know that all angles of a triangle add up to the 180 degree. So can we write this as an angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be also add up to the 180 degree? Now, what is angle A over here? It's a x degree. Angle B is 2x degree and angle C is 3x degree is equal to the 180 degree. Now, x plus 2x plus 3x is a 6x degree is equal to the 180 degree, and x will be 180 divided with the 6, which is 30 degree. So, we got our value of x 30 degree, but we need to tell about all our A, B and C value. So for that, what can we do? Can we write over here that angle A is given x degree, that means 30 degree. Angle B is given here 2x degree, that means 2 multiplied by 30, which is 60 degree. And angle C is given here 3x degree, that means 3 multiplied with the 30, that means 90 degree. And that is how we found out all the angles of this triangle, 30, 60 and 90 degree. Now let's try to do next question. Here, find angles x and y degree in a triangle ABC. How can we do this question? We can see here that angle x degree, here we can write angle x degree and 120 degree will give us 180 degree value as straight line angle. Straight line angle. Now, can we write it? Angle x is equal to the 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is 60 degree value. Now, how can we do the y one? We got already the x value, which is 60 degree. Now, for the y one, again we can apply the rule that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to the 180 degree. Angle A is here 40 degree. Angle B is here y degree and angle C is here 60 degree is equal to the 180 degree. Now, 40 plus 60 is 100 degree plus y degree is equal to the 180 degree. Now, after that, can we write y degree is equal to the 180 degree minus of 100 degree, that means 80 degree. So we got our answer for y as well. So y is here 80 degree value. So that is how we got the answer for both the questions. Thank you so much.